Greetings and welcome to Smartwatch Ticks. It's an exciting day, and you know what that means. We have a bag and we have a new watch to show you. Now, today is really special because not only do I have a new watch for you, I have a new watch from a new company that we haven't ever experienced before. The company is FINOW, F-I-N-O-W, or FINOW, or their website, FINOWATCH.com, FINOWatch.com. However you say it, they're making some really great products, and today is the unboxing of their top-of-the-line X1 watch. This is what it looks like. This is how it comes. It looks like the screen's in really bad shape, but it's not. It's just got a plastic protector over it. There we go. All right. We will take a look at what comes with the X1 watch. We have a nice leather band. We have in silver, it also comes in black, a one-button full Android watch. That means it runs the Android operating system and has the ability to download apps from the Play Store. That's important if you really want to install the things and quality of apps that you would like to have. The strap is very high quality, very solid, challenging actually to get out in here. Let's open it up because I want you to see the back of the watch, which has some writing on it, which says that it's an all stainless steel smartwatch, Bluetooth 4.0. Now, in an upcoming video, we're going to go into an in-depth look at the watch and talk more about those specifications. But today we're unboxing it. You see these 4 connectors here for the charging cradle. I'll show you in a moment. And the little center section is where you have the green laser light that reads your pulse because, yes, this watch has the heart rate monitor built into it. All right, what else comes in the box? The manual. We are going to look at the manual. On the side, we have the USB charging port, which is nice that you can charge off of standard USB. Most of them come that way these days. We have a magnetic charging cradle. I can tell you, it is definitely magnetic because it's holding onto the little screwdriver that comes with the kit too. The little 4 ports there are the ports that connect on the bottom of the watch. So when you put it in here, like that, in the charging cradle, it sits nicely in the charging cradle, magnetically coupled, provides both charge, and when you plug in the USB connector to your computer, it provides direct connect to the computer, so you can transfer files, load watch skins. Ooh, watch skins? You can actually put your own watch faces on this one? That's right. More about that in an upcoming video as well. And in addition to the screwdriver is your very own bag of extra replacement tiny screws. Because this is a standalone watch, that means it has its own SIM card inside. You can put your own phone number in it. To do that, you need to unscrew the back, get inside, and insert your SIM. Well, just in case you have trouble with the screws, you've got some extra backup screws, and of course, you've got the provided screwdriver that lets you take it apart. Yes, we will take it apart in another video as well, so you can see the insides of the quality that goes into making this X1 watch. All right, I promised you to take a look at the manual because the manual tells us something in both Chinese and English. The Chinese side is a little challenging to read here in America, but the English side, I want to go into detail because this is a standalone watch, but it has some capabilities to tether. Tether meaning, you can connect it up to your smartphone as well. And the little manual, surprisingly, goes into some good detail about that. So I am going to attempt to let the camera focus on it. You can freeze frame this as necessary, and you can work your way through this manual to get an understanding of what this watch can do. In particular, there's the part about changing the SIM card, taking it apart. It's a nano SIM, by the way. And as I understand, in the iPhone world, the nano came in about the iPhone 5 and newer. and iPhone 4 and lower were the micro SIM. I believe, depending on your location and frequencies, you should be able to take the SIM right out of your phone and stick it in the watch, and the watch should work for you. And then you could put it back in your phone. It is a bit complex because you do have to take the back off to get into it. It's not one of those you can insert it on the side. So most likely you'd want to get your own SIM card and put it in the phone if you're going to use it offline that way as a standalone device. All right? And this is the information in English in the manual. So you get yourself a manual. You get yourself a box. You've got a charging dock. You've got the USB cable. You've got a screwdriver and extra screws. And of course, you have got the FINOW X1 smartwatch. We'll be back with a detailed look at what happens when you turn this watch on.